Ay, nako, Mushi. Hi, teachers and learners. Welcome back to another episode of Learning with me, Leri. And today I'll be happy to share with you what's inside my... What's inside my handy dandy clear book, because somebody has requested for me to open this up to you and I'll be glad to comply. This is my book of rewards. I also call it my handy dandy clear book. I actually got the idea from a fellow 5-1 Talk teacher. Yes, I'm still affiliated with the company. I still got regular students there, and I can say that 5-1 Talk has really been a great training ground for me because it has provided an ample training of how to teach adults, how to teach super beginners, and other students from different walks of life. You'll really encounter a lot of those in 5-1 Talk. And you will surely learn a lot from their trainings because they have specific trainings for pronunciation, for building up your confidence in teaching, how to ace your grammar, and a lot more. So if you are a newbie in the ESL world, I suggest you give 5-1 Talk a try. If you are interested, I'll leave the application link in my description box. You can check it down there. And if you have any questions, you can leave a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So yeah, going back to the book of rewards, here you go. I'll put you down first. I make sure I bring this anywhere I go when I travel so I could still teach my students whenever they book me in advance and I could travel at the same time. Yes, lagare. Hindi ko na patatagalin pa. Here's what's inside my handy dandy clear book. On the first page, I have a picture of a boy and a girl and painting. These are just extras whenever I need more teaching materials. I also have the alphabet, so I can just pinpoint specific letters. Actually, I can use this as a game, like to test how well they learn the alphabet. Do it slow, like A, L, and then do it fast if they are already an advanced student for their level. Like that, point towards any letter. On the next page is a cupcake stand. I have the cupcakes here, so whenever they give a correct answer, they earn a cupcake. So a friendly tip, you can ask them whatever food they want to eat for that day. For example, would you like to have cupcakes for today? Would you like to have some fruits? Would you like to have some cookies for today? So yeah, speaking of that, the more they get, the more excited they will be. So treat your reward as something precious and only give it to them if they really earned it. Next one is Cookie Monster. So I actually have a Cookie Monster stuffed toy. My sister owns this too. So yeah, sometimes I'll just act out like Cookie Monster is sad. Oh, Cookie Monster is sad today. He wants to eat some cookies. And then I'll let go of this. I'll just show the student a picture of Cookie Monster, and whenever they give again a correct answer, a cookie for you. Ta-da! Yum, 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 yum. Thank you. Like that. Okay, next page contains beverages. So I have here, oh, why do I have fruits? Naligaw. Okay, so I have strawberry milkshake, coffee, hot chocolate, orange juice, fresh milk, coconut juice, apple, grapes, watermelon, lemon. So I chose these because these are the ones that are in 5-1 Talk lesson materials. So yeah, aside from that, I have a monkey. And I'll give the monkey, the baby monkey, bananas every time my student gives a correct answer. The next one is... Oh. The next one is... Baliktad pala. A basket of fruits. So you can ask your student, what's your favorite fruit? And I have here a number of fruits that they can choose from. Watermelon, banana, peach, pineapple, lime, mango, kiwi, cherry, strawberries, grapes, blueberries, and a lot more.
Yahoo!
Next are food. So they can choose from this. These are the common food that they'll find in their lesson. So you have pasta or spaghetti, cookie, rice, noodles, sushi, bread, meat or steak. Sometimes they call it meat. I eat meat. I like to eat meat, so I show them that. Pancake, sandwich, chicken, flour, hot dog, salad, bacon, ketchup, tater tots, and sausages. So there. Again, these are all cutouts. I cut them one by one because I didn't want to buy like tipeds. And then I just stick them on the next page. Yeah. So I'll ask them, what did you eat today? What have you eaten today? And then the student will say, rice, noodles. So I'll say, oh, I want to eat rice too. Yum, yum, yum. And then I'll get my chopsticks. Yummy. Like that. Next page, I have... Let me just put it back. Next page, I have a flower pot. So I stick my flowers back here. Whenever the student gets a correct answer, so he should complete the flower pot. Yeah, if she's a girl, then I think she'll like it more. If it's the student's birthday, I ask him to complete the candles. I just put the candles here, down here, and then I put it on top of the cake. Like that. The next one is... Okay, parts of the body. Parts of the body. So this actually serves as my teaching aid too. So I have here head, body, eyes, mouth, nose, ear, arm, foot, and hand. If you want, you can add up another foot or another arm, so you can talk about the plural forms of these nouns. So you can use foot. If you have two, it will become feet. If you have two hands, that explains it. I also have here robots and aliens because there's also a lesson about that. Tooth decay, mouth, what else? Oh, this is actually a favorite of my student, the castle, wherein I put Disney princesses here. So you have Pocahontas, Rapunzel, Ariel, or the Little Mermaid, Snow White, Aurora, or the Sleeping Beauty. Of course, hindi mawawala si Anna at Elsa. They are my students' favorites, top favorites. Anna and Elsa, Mulan, Belle in The Beauty and the Beast, Cinderella, and the Seven Dwarfs. I mean, Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, but Cinderella's there. Yeah. I also have a knight, picture of a princess, and a prince. Transportation, I also have here a ship, a train, a van, car, and a bicycle. So whenever you ask them, how did you go to school today? Did you take a bicycle? Did you just walk? Or did you take a car? At the back, I also have motorcycle, bus, truck, taxi, and police car. But the trainer from 5-1 Talk actually advised me to change the size of the bus and the car. Mas okay daw kung mas maliit yung taxi, just like how it is realistically speaking. Next page, I have different kinds of animals. So these are also the ones that are commonly used in 5-1 Talk. So I have here a hamster, a mouse, a parrot, cat, snake, butterfly, eagle, lion, peacock, crocodile, deer, zebra, cheetah, tiger, koala, a crow, a kangaroo, an ostrich, raccoon, panda, fox, and a hippo. I also have here gorilla, elephant, giraffe, and a bird. So these are all used in several lesson materials given by 5-1 Talk. But I searched for them one by one. Next are, okay, so you can separate the land animals from ocean animals. You have dolphin, whale, different kinds of fish, octopus, jellyfish, sea turtles, Yahoo! Starfish, crabs, seashells, shark, and a lot more. Next is farm animals. So again, you have animals in the zoo, ocean animals, and animals on the farm. So you have goat, pig, cow, chicken, swan, duck, horse. Next, I also have Pikachu and the Pokeballs. So yes, some kids really adore Pikachu, so every time they have a Pikachu background or they have a Pikachu stuffed toy, I'll immediately ask, oh, are you a fan of Pikachu? Or do you like Pikachu? And then I'll show them this. So every time you give me a correct answer, I'll give you a Pokeball. Boom! And remember to incorporate sound effects whenever you stick them. Boom! Like that. It helps. It really helps to get the attention of your student. For the sporty ones, you can ask them their favorite sport. And if ever they answer basketball, show them a ring. And tell them that if they give you a correct answer, you can shoot the ball. And then ask them to stand or do something like that. It could be a basketball, or another top favorite is this one, soccer. So you can ask them again to stand, kick the ball, or if they have low energy, you can just ask them to do this. At least you still get that interaction from them. So yeah, that's pretty much it. No more. I actually had this dress up. So for Kikai students, I'm still about to cut this out one by one. And for the boys, I also have these costumes for them. Yun. So yun lang naman. No more. I think this is the end of it. I also have a playground. If you appreciate this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel because I'll be uploading more ESL tips and tricks videos that could help you in the future. If you have any questions or suggestions, you may comment them down there or message me in my social media accounts right here. And I'll see you again next time. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. Thank you. Bye-bye. God bless.